Hi there, Ovi Mark here. Are you in Nigeria and you're interested in making money through football business? I have the right solution for your quest. I'm going to introduce you to 86Z Football. This is a company that specializes in investing on behalf of clients, and then they are giving returns after matches are played. So how does this happen? This is done through a system known as reverse betting. You know, in the normal kind of betting, you predict a score line and that score line happens to win. But with reverse betting, you predict a score line that can never happen, and then most times these score lines never happen, and then you get paid. Alright? With this system, even if the prediction somehow is negated, meaning the odds that you predicted, if they come to reality, for instance, your money is refunded back to you by the company. It's called a protection plan. So with this system, you never lose money. You only earn money. Okay, so if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description page of this video. You go check it out and then register with the company. And then I'm also going to leave another link in my WhatsApp group where you can drop your questions, and I'll direct you and guide you on what you should do to be at your best with this company. Now, trust me, this is a system you want to give a try because there are no losses here. You keep winning. Now, the good part of this business is that every day, the company, 86Z Football, gives predictions that are sent to the clients, and the clients, all they simply have to do is input the data sent from the company, and then you place your bets. After the matches, all of them turn out in wins, and then you credited your money to your account. Just watch your account grow within a notable space of time. But I got to warn you though, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but the earnings you're going to be making over time will pile up, and then you'll be smiling to the bank as usual. The good thing about this system is that you can fund your accounts through your banks just by adding or linking your bank accounts, or you can choose to use digital currency if you want the USDT TRC20. Okay, and then there are also other forms of commissions you can get from the platform. You can decide to refer people and you get commissions. And one thing I should let you know is that you cannot really be a part of the system except you are referred by someone. That's why I'm referring you today. So you do well to register with my referral link. Like I said, I'm going to leave it in the description page of this video. Use it, and then when you are registered, you fund your account, and then as time goes on, I'm going to tutor you on how to take your bets, and you as a person will also have to grow with the system. And if you like, refer people too, so you can get some extra commissions. Join me on the other side, and I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to know. If you're from Nigeria, this is really for you, because the system is so strong here in Nigeria, and it's accepting Nigerians, and it pays straight to your bank account. And this is fully legalized by the Nigerian government, and the company is also registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. So this is 100% safe. I'll see you guys on the other side. When you're done registering, just come to me, come to the WhatsApp chat room, and let me know that you registered through my link and you saw my video on YouTube, and that's why you're here. And I'll make sure to guide you and direct you appropriately. Okay, so guys, I look forward to seeing you win this year. And this program, as it is a poverty alleviation scheme that 86Z Football has brought out to help Nigerians most especially. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Grab it. Alright, I'll see you on the other side. Have fun.